guys, it's Grace, and today we are gonna be doing
a Nerf war game.
Yes, let's do it. We're headed downstairs. The boys have all the guns set up. I am basically gonna be the reviewer. Let's go.
The stars.
Another Nerf war player. Here we go. We got James Lock. Are you excited for the Nerf war?
Yeah, I won one. I got 7 points.
Oh yeah. Okay, let's do this. Woohoo!
You guys want a lemon cookie?
Oh sure. Let's get our treats and then we'll head down to the Nerf war. We're eating. You guys, we're eating these yummy, delicious lemon cookies.
Oh, no.
Basically a lemon bar in a cookie shape, baked.
Here.
No, that's gross. You're gonna like
He said there's no more left for him.
pity party. Okay, you're having pity party and I'm not coming. But we're eating. But yeah, we'll be back when it's Nerf war time.
Yes.
And welcome back everyone to the annual season finale, Nerf war. Okay, let's go down here these stairs.
Here, Grace, you need safety goggles if we're gonna videotape.
Okay, I got safety goggles on, guys. Protection.
Also, you guys have to be very careful.
So
Yeah, we might, I might come in here. Protection. I might come in here.
Wait, I won last time, right?
guys,
No, you guys won.
Oh yeah, Grace, do you want the shield? Because I have the
I'm
armor.
getting the goggles on.
You want
Let's
this?
get these on.
Well, you're gonna start because
I'm not gonna be in the Nerf war though.
yeah, but just for protection, because we're like running. And then we ended up the Nerf war.
I need one of these for protection. Could you take us back to base? If I might decide to battle. So if I do, then I'll take that. But
I might decide to. I want to battle.
she's battling, guys. Elise is in. Woo!
Headshots are open.
Here, guys. Here is my dad. Here
I don't want
is
to battle. Actually, I don't want to battle.
Aw, okay. But it'd be
You guys
so
have to
cool.
videotape us though.
I am reviewing him
But
right
if
now.
you get in the line of fire, you could get hit. That's the gun. That's the old gun that I had when I was a
Let's see.
young boy, Wyatt.
See what's going on, guys? Okay, we're in.
So guys, I'm not battling. Sadly, I'm gonna go run in there and get bullets. Guys, can I be the
You guys
bullet collector?
Elise, but will you be in one round?
Collector.
Yeah.
Elise, can you be in one round though? So
Maybe the second round. Maybe. 'Cause for this round, I'm the bullet collector.
okay,
Headshots are
I'm the
open.
reporter.
Oh, don't you need like? Actually, you don't need it. You don't need the microphone because you're talking to those people. Oh,
Yeah, ready?
no.
You know what? No, we just started the
They're having a Nerf war. Maybe like 5.
Guys, 10 more minutes. Let's start. 3, 2, 1, final shot.
couple more minutes.
Let's go.
Go.
Are you ready?
Why do you stand up?
Tell me when you're ready.
Wait, can you stop doing that cheese shield so I can see you? Or at least stand back behind. Wait, I'm gonna get it up so I can see the whole battlefield. Wait, actually, no, it's a bad idea.
This is so cool.
Let's do this. Team James and Ryan's base. Team Tom base.
Get up, James.
Let's see what we can do.
don't know about games. Do I look swag?
So, ready? You're gonna get the first bullet.
Get up.
First bullet of the video. You ready?
Yep.
We should do it. Just kidding.
What?
Go.
Stop.
Did I get you?
Get the bullet. We got you on the run.
I'm hashtag wearing this. No, it broke. No.
What about you?
No. You guys, it broke on me. It broke.
Girl. Why is that?
Why it's out?
I'm gonna be taken like a man.
Did I get you,
Here
James?
you go. I'll collect James's. I'll take it like a man. Ow!
Why it's bullet collector? Why? How did it feel to be in the Nerf war? Fun?
Yeah.
Fun? Yeah. Okay, we're in.
Just me and James now. I'm going to take them out. Where are my mega bullets on the couch here?
I'm coming. Sword though.
Here's her meg. Peeking to James's force. Peeking to James' force. I have to get out before I get hit. Here we go. I'm not in the Nerf war. Remember, I'm just a reporter. Oh, we hit the base. But James is still surviving. He's gonna waste all his ammo. Bullet girl, get those bullets. One under the chair.
You got me in the head, Dad.
Out. All right. I'm champion.
Headshot. Dad is a champion. Dad, how does it feel to be the champion?
Does the hair count?
No, I don't know. Yeah, I
Why
guess.
did that hair last time? The hair is part of your head, so you got me in the head.
Dad, does it feel good
Not
to be
really.
the champion?
Yeah, it does, but I don't know if I'm really the champion because you said I just got him in hair.
Champion
Hair is
Junior.
not really a headshot.
Okay.
Can we throw on to round 2? Are you gonna be in this time? This is the final question.
Hey,
don't
can
know
I
if
be in
I'm
this
gonna
round?
that.
Oh yeah, do you want my goggles?
Yeah, I need
I'm
some
just
more
gonna
mega
report.
bullets. Where are my mega bullets?
Oh, here's one. I got my aim on you. I got my aim on me.
So I won it?
Well, this is war! Woohoo!
Well, look, hair shots don't really count.
Wait. Go get some circle bullets for this, guys.
Guys, let me fight goggles real quick.
2,
1. First shot of the season! Wow! No one's. I'm not a blue clothing hunter. I'm a reporter. Remember. Oh my gosh. I'll just stand back, guys. Ready? I'm gonna try to
You
catch.
gotta stand up. Come on.
Catch.
Oh yeah, we gotta stand.
Come on, stand. Say a pledge of allegiance first.
Elise.
Elise, what are you doing?
Wait.
No, guys, I'm just gonna take a peek into the base.
Can you
You're
guys
a
get some
blue
rival
hunter?
darts for me?
What?
Elise, can you get some rival darts for me? No, I'm the one using this. I need circle darts.
She's in?
Here.
Is she in or is she out? I'm confused. I have to get out of here.
That holds 12, okay?
Oh my gosh, guys, we are back. Round 2. The annual Nerf war. Woo! Okay. See what's going on. Don't shoot me. What? I have safety goggles, but I'm still not a reporter. I mean, I still am a reporter.
Yeah, we don't shoot reporters, huh?
Yep. Hi, I love you.
Are you guys gonna play or what? I'm gonna quit.
I don't know which team I'm voting for.
I'm ready.
Which team are you guys voting for? Put it in the comments. Wyatt, Elise, or James? W-E or J? W-E-J? Or are you voting for Team Tom? Team Tom or Team Wyatt, James, and Elise? Which team are you guys voting for?
Wait.
Team Tom, Team Wyatt, James, and Elise.
Guys, he's about to forfeit.
Right over there.
I'm not gonna forfeit. You guys aren't even playing.
Headshots are open. Guys.
I get the first shot. I won, right?
Yep.
First shoot
Oh,
goes
you
to
said I had a
Dad.
hair shot.
Wait, how do you say that? Okay.
Ready, set, shoot. Just shoot.
2, 1,
Shoot.
fight.
Stand up, people.
Who?
Guys, stand up.
Howard.
I'm the bullet collector.
Who's scared?
I get you.
Hand.
Are you gonna be in next round?
No, guys,
The hand, does that mean I'm dead? I can't remember.
yeah. If you get hit by sword one time, then you're out. No, that's twice.
I'm out.
How do you guys put this in?
Then I guess I'm out.
Yeah, Wyatt's still in there.
Woohoo!
I get started off.
Wyatt! Yeah, Wyatt, how does it feel to be a champion?
Oh my god. Pretty good.
Pretty good, oh yeah.
I'm pretty
Here's a
good.
zoom in of him right now.
Wait, I
The new champion of the weirdo.
That's my sword for.
10.
Get out of here.
That's my shot.
And are you guys ready? James is,
Honey.
Wyatt is getting the first shot of the season.
I get
We'll
the
see you
first
guys
shot.
next time. Do you guys want to see more Nerf Wars? Tell me in the comments below. Bye!